Hey guys, Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com, getting ready for the craft fairs and making these adorable little post-it note sets, and have a bunch of these all made up. I'm doing the last one and thought, why not shoot a video really quick? I've done a few of these post-it note covers before, but you might not have seen them, and this one's stinking cute and so easy. Great to make a whole bunch for the schoolroom. I don't know if your school's like ours, but ours now doesn't allow any candy or treats for Halloween parties. This would be a really cute one to make fast, especially for a little bit older kids. Great for the teachers or the co-workers at the office. I just love this little treat. It's so versatile, and everybody can use a little notepad and pen, right? So let's take a look at the Stampin' Up! Supplies that you need to make this. I've got a 2-inch circle punch. I've got my Stampin' Up! Cat punch. We're using the 2 Every Season bundle. The 2 Every Season bundle includes the 2 Every Season photopolymer stamp set. It's a 23-piece set, good for Halloween straight through Valentine's Day. And there's a little punch pack that you can bundle up with it and save 10%. I'm really getting a ton of use out of this little punch pack already. So in the punch pack, there's a snowflake, and it cuts out the little snowflake. There's a heart that cuts out the little heart, a leaf that cuts out the little leaf, and then the bat. That's the one that we're going to use today. It cuts out the little bat. All right, let's take a look at a couple other things here. I got a little 3x3 sticky notes, miniature pen. I got mine. These are from the Dollar Tree last year. This year they have them too. They're a little bit different, but these little mini pens I usually pick up at the Dollar Tree. My Designer Series paper is the Monster Bash Designer Series paper, and this is 2 7/8 by 3 inches. I've got a scrap of crushed curry here, and that scrap of crushed curry is for punching a 2-inch crushed curry circle. Last, I've got my base here, basic black. Let me get this simply scored and we'll score this guy. All right, let's get the simply scored tool in here. Oh, don't forget, little scrap of basic black. That's for our bats. About 1 inches by 3 will do for that. All right, so we're gonna put this piece of basic black that is 7 3/8 by 3 1/4 into the simply scored tool on the 7 3/8 inch side. Then we're going to score it at 3 1/8, 3 1/2, and 3 7/8. Super simple. Let's take our bone folder and we're going to work each of these little scores. And then we're going to fold on that center score. And our front is this shorter flap right here. I'm going to take our paper snips and cut this little segment up to the score line into 3 pieces. I go generally equal, a little bit longer on the ends than in the center, but I just eyeball it, don't stress. Open it up. Let's grab some tear and tape adhesive here. We're going to run the tear and tape down these 2 little segments right here. So you remember that the center fold, the shorter flap, is the front. You're not going to put adhesive in this first section. You'll put it in the second section on the top and the bottom segment. I got my Take Your Pick tool. Let's go ahead and remove the lining from our adhesive. Then we're going to fold this so that that adhesive adheres to the back cover. Then we're going to pop this center section out, fold back. There's our little sticky note holder. Pretty cool, huh? I've already got some tear and tape on the back of my sticky notes, so I'm going to just peel the release on that, and I'm going to stick them inside the holder up against the spine up against the fold, and then so that there's a even border all the way around. Fold that over. We can pop our little pen in right now if you want to, and let's get our designer series paper on the cover. Now you want to be careful here because you need this to be 2 7/8 inches wide and 3 inches long to have an even border all the way around. There we go, looks good. I had a gray for my bats, but no black for my cat. Let's get a scrap. Got a scrap of basic black here. Let's see, do I have anything smaller? Yeah, that should do. Always try to use the smallest scrap possible. There's our cat. Usually for a punch about 2.5 by 3.5 is perfect. We're gonna do a little bit of Stampin' with just some Memento Tuxedo black ink. Got my Stampin' Pierce mat here. Let's get that underneath. We need 2 bitty little bats on basic gray. And then Happy Halloween on the moon. Now, when I do my Happy Halloween, it's going to be up and to the left of center just a little bit. So we have room to cover the moon with our cat, but not cover the greeting. All right, multi-purpose liquid glue. Gonna adhere our moon to our Post-it pad. And now let's punch out our little bats. I love how easy these are. Okay, I'm folding up the body and wings. So I hold the body, fold up the wings, both sides. Bats are ready to go. Now I want my cat to go on with some dimensionals. So let's grab a couple of mini dimensionals here. I'm snipping up the edges because then I can put smaller pieces on the feet, on the tail. Got to make sure we support that little tail. All right, dimensionals are all sticky. Let's put our little cat in the moon. Add some bats with some multi-purpose liquid glue. I like to put a little bit on their bodies and then share it between the 2 bats. And then I want them to kind of circle around the Happy Halloween greeting. Now, that's really cute just as it is, but I've got some baker's twine here. I've got one that I got off the clearance rack a little while ago. Anything will do here. You can use linen thread, you can use any little baker's twine that you have. You can use a very narrow ribbon if you like this detail. Or you can leave the cat without the bow. It's your call. But I'm gonna tie an itty bitty little bow. Isn't that adorable? All right, let's liberate it from the spool. Cut off the excess. And I'll put a little bitty dot of multi-purpose liquid glue right on my cat. Using the piercer end. Gonna get a little bit of glue on the piercer end of the tool and then drop that bow right into the glue. How cute are they? Oh, I just love them. All right. Happy Halloween. All right, if you've got any questions about the Post-it note holder, if you've got questions about Stampin' Up, want to check out what craft fairs I'm doing, classes in the Chicagoland area, whatever I can do to help you stay crafty, reach out, email me, Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com. And if you'd like to shop Stampin' Up 24/7, buzz over to MarisaAlvarez.stampinup.net. Thanks for watching.